What if I told you there's a reason your body hasn't been getting stronger, even though you've been doing everything right? You walk daily, you stay active, you try to eat better, yet somehow things still feel harder. Getting up from a chair, carrying groceries, or climbing a flight of stairs, all of it takes more effort than before. It's frustrating, isn't it? But here's the truth. It's not your fault, and it's not just old age. What's really happening inside your body is something called age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia. It's a slow, silent process that begins in your 40s and speeds up after 60, when your body starts losing 3 to 5% of muscle every decade. But here's the good news. Muscle loss isn't permanent. You can rebuild strength, improve balance, and even reverse weakness, starting right at home. And you don't need a gym, heavy weights, or hours of exercise. Just a few smart, simple movements done consistently can completely transform the way your body feels and functions. So today, I'll walk you through 5 gentle exercises you can do anytime, anywhere. These are low impact, joint friendly, and designed especially for adults over 50. Even if you've never worked out before, you can do these safely. Let's start with one of the most powerful movements you can do, the sit to stand. This exercise mimics one of life's most essential movements, standing up from a chair. It works your thighs, hips, and core, the same muscles that help you get out of bed, off the toilet, and up from the sofa. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the ground and your arms crossed over your chest. Now, slowly stand up, pushing through your heels. Pause for a moment at the top, then sit back down under control. Try 10 repetitions. If that's too much, start with 5 and build your way up. If you need support, lightly touch a table or keep your hands on your thighs. The goal isn't speed, it's control. As you get stronger, you'll notice everyday movements becoming easier. You'll feel more stable and confident, especially when standing or walking for longer periods. Next, we're focusing on your calves and ankles, a crucial area for balance and stability. Stand tall behind a chair or counter, holding it gently for support. Now, lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes. Pause for 2 seconds, and slowly lower back down. Do this 10 to 15 times. This simple move strengthens your calves and improves blood flow in your legs, which helps reduce swelling and fatigue. It also strengthens your ankles, making you more stable and less likely to stumble or fall. If you want to make it a little more challenging later, try lifting one foot slightly off the floor and doing single-leg heel raises. And remember, it's okay if your balance isn't perfect at first. Every rep you do trains your brain and body to communicate better. Now let's work your upper body, your chest, arms, and shoulders. These muscles play a big role in your daily life. They help you lift groceries, push open doors, and carry things safely. To do a wall push-up, stand facing a wall and place your hands on it at shoulder height. Walk your feet back a bit, keeping your body straight like a plank. Bend your elbows to bring your chest closer to the wall, then push back to the starting position. Aim for 10 reps. As you get stronger, step your feet slightly farther back for more resistance. Wall push-ups improve upper body strength, posture, and even circulation. And unlike floor push-ups, they're gentle on your wrists and joints, perfect for beginners or anyone with arthritis. Now we'll get the blood flowing. Stand tall behind a chair, hold on for balance, and start lifting one knee up, then the other, like you're marching in slow motion. Do this for 30 seconds to a minute. This gentle movement strengthens your hip flexors, thighs, and core while improving coordination and balance. It also wakes up your circulation, perfect for breaking up long periods of sitting. If you want to make it more challenging later, swing your arms slightly or add ankle weights. Just keep your posture tall and your breathing steady. Marching in place like this every day can make walking feel smoother and help your joints stay flexible. Finally, we're going to work the back side of your body, your glutes, hips, and lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Your arms can rest at your sides. Now, slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top, and hold for 2 seconds. Then lower down with control. Repeat this 10 times. The bridge strengthens your glutes, improves posture, and reduces back discomfort, especially if you sit for long hours. With time, this one exercise can help you stand taller, walk with more power, and feel steadier on your feet. These 5 movements may look simple, but they target every major muscle group that keeps you mobile, balanced, and independent. You can do them 3 to 4 times a week, or even daily if you feel good. Each session takes just 10 to 15 minutes, and you don't need any equipment at all. After a few weeks, you'll notice your body feeling stronger, you'll stand up easier, move faster, and feel more energy throughout the day. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild strength. Your muscles respond at any age, as long as you give them the chance. Stay patient, stay consistent, and treat your body with kindness. Small steps done regularly lead to lasting results. And before you go, if you found this helpful, make sure to check out my next video on 3 foods that help reverse muscle loss after 60. It pairs perfectly with today's exercises and helps you recover even faster. Until next time, take care of your body, stay active, and keep moving forward. You've got this.